Hello everybody, welcome back to another Powder Toy tutorial, I guess I'll call it. I'm gonna do layering, where basically you make like titanium withstand basically virus. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use titanium, of course. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna place a titanium, some convert. You don't have to use convert, you can literally just use anything you want. You can have like triple layered titanium, you can have whatever you want, but I prefer using convert. Now I'm going to have my two pieces of titanium on the other side. I could do that, or I'm going to do how I always do it, two converts and three titaniums. Now once you do that, you do this console command, set x all 300. Now what that does is it sends it all into one spot. Now cool, you got this one basically invincible particle done. Now I'm just gonna get this a little bit bigger and save. Once you click S, you can save and K your save files. So I want to make a shape, so I'm gonna make a cube. Like I was going to go out and actually make something. Now, you don't have to make this particle from particle. No, what I'm going to do is show a little trick to make this go pretty fast. Basically, you just make a line. You start off with a line. Now, it sounds like a little bit of work, but with this line, you can, well, you'll see. Alright, now I got my line. Now, I'm going to save this line. Yes, I'm making it bigger on purpose, then I can do the stuff like this. Now I got three lines. Now I can save that, and now if I do that, it creates a bigger. It makes the cube a lot faster than if I made a particle at a time. Then I could, from there, make the thing, the titanium cube. Now what this can withstand is, it can withstand straight up plasma, because it always stays at just below the temperature it melts. So now let's just regard that with Control Z. By the way, you can go undo. It can withstand virus. It can also withstand this. Now I'm gonna choose, let me see, what, I'm gonna choose wood, and it's a replace command, replace mode. Now sure, it turned to wood there, but instantly turns back to titanium. Now I'm just gonna go and turn it back to that. That's so much fun to do. Now the key to turn off and on replace mode, I don't know the name. I keep forgetting the name of my keyboard stuff, but it should look similar to this. Oh, I should probably turn off replace mode, and it has that kind of line. It kind of looks like that. Like, I don't know what to call that, but it sure looks like that. Now let me just show you what this is made of. Sure, you've seen that it's basically indestructible, but watch this. So, no, it's not. Okay, now this is delete. Boom, layer of titanium. Layer of titanium.
Hey, River?
Layer of titanium. Convert. Convert. Alrighty. Now that's going to be the end of my little tutorial, and it was a quick one. It was only like 4 minutes long. So, well, goodbye. Bye. Like and subscribe. See y'all later.